what's going on there? In this such a beautiful day, I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about sport event that was managed to be created during the Great Depression. And there is a question: which annual sporting event was created during the Great Depression? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and right after that, I'll give you a bit more explanation about the answer. And here is the correct answer of the question. The correct answer is MLB All-Star Game, and here is a bit more explanation about the answer. Debuting in 1933 at Chicago's Comiskey Park in conjunction with the city's World's Fair festivities, the MLB All-Star Game was initially conceived as a singular promotional activity aimed at uplifting spirits and sparking enthusiasm amid the Great Depression. Its overwhelming success with both fans and players led to its transformation into an annual affair. So that is correct answer for the question. MLB All Star Game. That's the correct answer for the question.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.